All right, happy 4th of July, everybody. It is getting to be close to 4th of July, so we are going to make a 4th of July patriotic shooting star. In your kit, you are going to have one template for the star. You're going to have several strips of red, white, and blue paper. Should be 4 or 5 of those. And a couple of wiggly eyes. I don't know where the other one's in there somewhere. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to color that star and cut it out. Like I did here. Just like this. And then you're going to take all those little strips of paper and you're going to do what's called an accordion fold. And that just means you're going to take that strip of paper and you're going to start folding back and forth. See, one way and then back the other way. All the way till you get to the end of the piece of paper. So what you should end up with is something kind of like this. Like that. And you're going to do that with all of those strips, okay? When you're done with that, I think we're going to decorate the face first. You're going to take the wiggly eyes and you're going to put them on the star. Like this. And then you can draw a face on there if you want. Like that. And then you're going to take one end of your paper strips and glue them behind the star so that it looks like you have a shooting star. I've got messy glue here, but we're gonna make it work. Just like that. And you'll have your patriotic shooting star. Happy 4th of July, everybody.